Drink this every morning and watch what happens to your body. This simple detox recipe made with grapefruit, apple, lemon, cucumber, ginger, carrot, and turmeric. Those ingredients are power things at once. It melts belly fat. Also, it cleans your skin from inside out. Just one glass of this drink, it will boost your metabolism, clean your liver, and reduce your bloating, and also give you natural energy all day long. Okay, so if you are looking for something like that, please stay tuned. If your skin is dull skin, also if you want healthy body, then you need to stay tuned and watch to the end. So now I have my vegetables and fruit here, which I have already washed it, and I peel some of it. I peel my carrot and ginger already. It's only the grapefruit that I did not peel. So now let's peel the grapefruit together. While peeling it, let's check and see the benefit of grapefruit while you are drinking it. Grapefruit is burning belly fat naturally. It also boosts metabolism and cleaning your liver. It's having high antioxidants and also controlling appetite. So grapefruit is very powerful. Grapefruit is not standing there because it's also having vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and fiber, which is very good for drinking and eating. But to be honest, I cannot eat it. I can only drink it because of the taste. It's having some sour taste like a lemon or lamb, so that's why I cannot eat it. Sorry for my daughter noise. So now after that, also the next ingredient is going to be my cucumber, which I'm going to cut. Cucumber also is deep hydrating the body and flushing detoxing and reducing bloating, and also supporting digestion and help to reduce belly fat water retention, which is very good for cucumber also. And it's having vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. So now after that, the next ingredient is my red apple. So let's check and see red apple. Red apple also is cleaning the gut, also improving digestion. Also, it's having protecting from the blood sugar to minimize your blood sugar, and also it's rich in antioxidant and it helps to reduce appetite. Also, red apple, so that one also is very nice. Normally I usually use green apple, but today I say why not, this time let me use my red apple to make this juice. So after that, the next thing, it's also having vitamin C, vitamin A, fiber, and potassium, which is very good. So now the next ingredient is going to be my lamb. You can use lamb or lemon. If it is lemon and you want, you can peel it, but lamb, never peel your lamb. You can just cut it that way and use it. So now I'm cutting my lamb. Lamb too or lemon is powerful detoxing. Using lamb or lemon to make detox is very powerful because it's melting your belly fat very fast and boosting immunity and clean your skin and clean your liver. So lemon or using lemon or lamb is very powerful, but always try to get organic one. Also, lamb also is having vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidant, which is very good, right? So this thing, you know what I'm talking about. Mix all this fruit plus the vegetable, drink it together with all this powerful vitamin, and just prepare this and thank me later. So now our next ingredient that I'm cutting is my ginger, because this thing I cannot go without adding ginger inside. Okay, ginger also speed your metabolism and reducing bloating. Also is making your skin inflammatory. Oh princess, please, yeah. Also supporting digestion and helping burn your stubborn belly fat very quick, using ginger. So ginger also is one of the powerful ingredients when we're going to talk about the content about the detoxing drink. So ginger is very powerful. Ginger, it's also having vitamin B6 and magnesium and potassium, which is very good. So now our next ingredient is carrot. I'm going to cut my carrot. Carrot also is boosting the benefit of carrot also is boosting immunity and improving skin glowing. It also supports liver cleaning, and also carrot is high in antioxidant, which is balancing digestion. Carrot is not standing there. Carrot also have vitamins, which is vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, and beta carotene. Carrot also is very good, and it's good also when you are drinking it. Also your eyes, also if you have eyes problem, you are drinking it, times go on, you are going to find yourself better condition. So carrot is very powerful. I don't joke with carrot. I have almost carrot everything in my life doing carroting. I have carrot butter also selling. If you are interested to buy it, please, why not, you can patronize your lady, you know. I have carrot butter also selling, so you can come with it. Okay, thank you very much. Now our last ingredient that I'm going to cut now is my turmeric. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, turmeric that I'm going to cut. Turmeric also is also removing inflammation and also detoxifying liver and melting stubborn belly fat very quick. Turmeric is also cleaning skin and boosting metabolism. So turmeric is very powerful. Turmeric also having iron, magnesium, vitamin B6. Okay, so turmeric is also one of the powerful ingredients that when it's come to detoxify your body or to melt your stubborn belly fat. So now guys, I finished everything. Here I was doing some tests. Actually, I don't know whether I have to cut it back or no. I was trying to see if, because when I just put this thing down all the time, when my daughter is standing like this, I just feel like this child, she's doing something inside. But what does she doing? When I'm coming, she's going to pretend like, you know, she's not doing anything. She will pretend, started talking, guys, I'm so sorry. She will pretend and started talking to me. But I can feel like she do something. But what does she do? I don't know. So today I said, no, let me just settle the camera back because I see what she's doing. Not doing that, this girl, she always putting her finger inside of the drink and putting inside her mouth. She will put inside the drink and put inside her mouth. I catch her in camera today. Anyway guys, so now we finish everything. After straining it, I pour it inside this one. At least can relax me for 4 days before we make new one again. And all the drinks has working because I don't repeat only one. So guys, this drink is powerful, and why it's powerful? Because this drink, it's clean your liver, it's improving your digestion and increasing your energy, melting your stubborn belly fat also, and also boosting your immunity. Each ingredient in this drink is play a special role. Okay, all the ingredients is all playing a special role for the drink. Because when you check about the grapefruit and lemon, those two is burning the belly fat. Okay, and cucumber, apple also regularly digestive. It will burn your digestive, improve your digestive. While ginger and turmeric also fighting for inflammation, and carrot is adding antioxidant, so which is very good for this drink. So try it and let me know how it go. Mind you guys, everything about natural things, you have to be consistency using it. Don't think that you are going to use it 1 day, 2 days, and you are expecting it for your belly fat to just go just 2 days like that. No, you have to be consistency using it. If you want to achieve what you are doing, you have to be consistency using it. That's the time that you can achieve what you want. If not, you cannot get it. So now, actually this morning I'm already drink 1 glass, but this I just say, okay, why not, just take this small glass of plastic cup and use one for you guys so that we drink it together. Now I'm sitting here. What I'm standing drinking is still my daughter. She wants. Guys, I'm so sorry for today because today noise is too much of my daughter. Sometimes it can be okay, but sometimes also it's very difficult when I'm going to edit videos. So now she's around, she's just trying, she want me to pick her, she's doing all her best. I'm looking at her, she's doing all her best to come up. So now let me just pick her for her to see what I'm doing. Her best. Let's see what she's doing. You see her. So now she's so happy. She's very, very happy. When she's just standing, she wants to come. When I pick her, her energy is, the energy is too much. Energy is energy. Now, after she put her fingers inside, sometimes when I'm going to give it to her, even I have to dilute it very well because this one is a little bit bitter. I don't know, bitter or sour that I'm going to say it, but for me, no problem. I love it. Okay, I love that taste, and it's so sweet. To me, I feel like it's sweet, but for her, maybe it's not sweet. It's very strong for her, so I have to dilute it. Now I try to give her, she said no. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you watch it up to this point, please subscribe, like and share for me. This is my carrot butter, guys. That is my carrot body butter. It's good for the whole family. Children, is safe for children also. Okay, so please guys, you can patronize me if you want to get one. I have 250 ml, I have 400 ml, so which one that you want, just patronize me. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. I will see you guys in my next episode.